Consumers should have greater trust in our system because we source the vehicles independently of the manufacturers and we test them ourselves with no input at all from the industry, but also with no input from regulators or governments or other interested parties that might skew the results. A is green, which is the cleanest vehicles on the road, down to E, which is in red, which represent the dirtiest vehicles on the road. There's an opportunity to unleash the competition and the creativity amongst manufacturers so they can compete to produce the very cleanest cars. We need action now. Many cities across Europe are simply breaking the law. We may be a little late, but it is now incredibly urgent to solve the problem of urban air pollution.